Hi, my name is Kylie Baker, and this is the website that I made for Comm 310 for my nonprofit organization called Lemonade. Now, Lemonade is a made-up nonprofit organization, and my goal for this website was to get people to donate to the nonprofit. And the first thing that I did was kind of came up with a color scheme, and I created my logo over here. Just really simple, kind of fun. You can tell it has to do with children. Um, and then I came up with a color scheme, so I wanted to keep with the yellow and this red. And on my website, you can see that I did a couple different things to keep it unified. I kept all the yellow red, so when you hover, it turns yellow, red, so it's easy to read at first. Um, and then I wanted to keep a really simple website so it's super user friendly and anybody can use it. At the top here, I have just a short description of what the organization is and what people can be helping with. And then after that hooks them with the first couple sentences, I wanted to scroll down and I came up with a little story about the founder and why he created this business. And it again hooks the audience because it gets them thinking about and imagining this story that I'm telling. And it kind of gets their emotions tied to this organization, so it'll persuade them to donate their money and time to it. The next section is just about the students, and again, it gets their emotions involved in it because it tells these students stories and what business they're trying to create and what they need money for. And having the picture there also helps visualize the students and be able to say, okay, this is where my money's going to right now. And then the last section is how can you help? And this goes through and explains to them exactly where their money is going, what it's doing, and how they're really making a difference in the world by donating. And the last section is my call to action to select their donation amount. I want to get them as simple as possible. I just put 4 buttons there. They can just click on the button and immediately donate. If they click on the other button down here, they're able to immediately just type in whatever amount they want to donate, and it's super easy and super user friendly. I think the hardest part about designing this website was doing the mobile, figuring out how to use media queries and different things like that. So I'll show you real quick what it looks like on mobile. If I go to mobile, the biggest part was making these pictures not too small so I couldn't read them, but also still visible. So I just did the transparency behind those letters so you can see his face there. The other thing that I had troubles with was these buttons and how to get them 100% width across the screen, so they're full width. And once I figured it out, I was super excited and happy about it because it looks great. And like I said, with the design, I kept it all simple. With the red and yellow, kept it all the same. Here on mobile with the menu, it's just the hamburger menu at first. When you click on it, it comes up with the same red, and then you hover and it comes up with the yellow. Just being really consistent, keeping everything really simple, and getting people to donate to my website.